So what's going on today, Austin? Why don't you tell us?
I actually had the second rescue of the day. I had a tern this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was kind of rare, but I was researching. Some of the terns fly to Antarctica back up to North America.
That's a long way, bro.
It's freaking wild. They're saying like some of them fly 1.8 million miles a year, or in their lifetime.
That's amazing.
We feel so protected because we've been watching the owls build families and nests and fly every night.
Here he goes up front.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry, but we gotta bring you back to health. Hey, it looks like a baby.
It is a baby.
Hold on. Let me get a shot. Come on. Let me get a selfie.